RV alarms frequently activating. Let's pinpoint the cause, focusing on the battery and detector sensors. First, the battery. RV alarms rely on a stable 12-volt power supply. Use a multimeter to check your battery's voltage. It should read 12.6 volts or higher when charged. If it's below 11 volts, recharge or replace it. Lithium batteries, increasingly common, need specific chargers to avoid damage. Next, inspect your sensors. RVs typically have carbon monoxide, CO, propane, and smoke detectors. Test them weekly and replace them every 5 to 7 years. Clean dust from smoke detectors, ensuring proper ventilation to prevent false CO alarms. Remember, faulty sensors are a common culprit. By checking these components, you'll cover the majority of possible issues. If your battery and sensors are in good condition, the problem might lie within your RV's 12-volt power system. Check fuses, wiring, and ground connections for corrosion or damage. Inspect each fuse visually and check continuity. Look for corroded fittings and loose wires that could cause power issues. Use a voltmeter to identify any voltage fluctuations. Connect the voltmeter to measure the 12-volt system voltage, which should read around 12.6 volts when fully charged. Look for drops below 10.5 volts that could trigger alarms. If you have solar panels, ensure the charge controller isn't causing power surges. Check the wiring connections and verify the controller settings to prevent voltage spikes that could affect the alarm system. Once you've checked the power system, try resetting the alarm panel. Disconnect the power, reset the panel according to your manual, and then simulate trigger events like blowing smoke near the smoke detector to isolate any faults. Remember, RV alarms are mandated safety systems by RVIA standards, but can be prone to power fluctuations. By methodically checking power and sensors, you can often resolve these frustrating false alarms.